Notebook LM and Gemini are now core services. Now, this might sound like, what does that even mean, Peter? There is a small distinction with Google's other services and Google core services. When Google releases a new product out in the world, and they release many products, if you log in with a Google Workspace account, usually you're just using your Google Workspace account for identifying yourself, and you're using the app based on whatever experience you get from the app. And there's, at that point, zero guarantee for uptime, reliability, safety, protection of your data. I mean, they're going to encrypt your data, but you're not going to have any guarantee about, let's say, this being a privacy and security compliant service if you've, for example, switched on the HIPAA compliance inside your Google Workspace account because you're a healthcare provider and you want to make sure that patient data is protected. Now, when Google switches something to a core service, what that means is it's covered by all of the features of the other core services, and that means the privacy and data protection guarantees. It means the SLA, service level agreement. So if those services are down for a certain period of time, you get compensated because you may not have access to business data. Very, very rare, but does happen. And Google have done that for both Gemini and for Notebook LM, which is very cool. What that also means, generally, is that these products are here to stay. So you can trust and go nuts with Notebook LM because it's probably not going anywhere. When Google release new features and new tools, sometimes that means that at some point in time, you're going to see them disappear. And that's a real bummer. And it can make us business owners hesitant to start putting business data into these tools because if Google deletes it or gets rid of it at some point, then, well, you've got all that effort and time that you've spent into putting the data in there, and it's going to cost you money to move it over to another system of some sort. Making something a core service is a big plus because it means that it's much harder for Google to rip it out. It means their enterprise customers are going to start using it. And so it's pretty hard for Google to backtrack after that has happened. So big thumbs up for Google here. Nice work.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.